The Cat Advansys system helps to boost your productivity. Let's look at how to remove and install this hammerless system. Before you get started though, check your operation and maintenance manual for proper safety procedures and always wear appropriate personal protective equipment. Advansys tips are designed to better protect the adapter. This increases adapter wear life by up to 25%. Plus, its hammerless system reduces downtime when it's time to change the tips out. Before uninstalling Advansys tips, remove any built-up material. If needed, uncurl the bucket and use water to soften packed debris. Once the debris is cleared, grab the correct size of breaker bar for your Advansys series. Rotate the retainer counterclockwise 180 degrees on each side of the tip. Now you can slide the tip off and repeat the process until you're done. Before installing your Advansys tips, check that they are free of debris. Make sure the retainers are in the unlocked position. Now, slide the tip all the way onto the adapter. Use your breaker bar to rotate the retainer clockwise 180 degrees. You'll rotate it until the socket is in the locked position. Do this for the other side of each tip too. For more information and support, contact your Cat dealer. And always check your operation and maintenance manual for specific instruction and safety procedures.